Hey everyone, so today we're going to learn how to cut some carrots so that we can use them in our stews. First thing you want to do is wash your carrots. You don't have to peel them because when you do, you take away a lot of the nutrients that are closer to the surface of the skin. After we wash them all, second thing you want to do is chop off the tops. You can either discard them, use them for compost, you can save them for soup broth, whatever you prefer. So when we cut our carrots, you want to make sure to do proper cutting techniques. So you will have your hands, your fingernails down like this, and just continue to chop at a diagonal. Now you have nice, thicker carrots with lots of surface area for your stews. You really want to hold your carrots firmly in place. I mean, they are round, so they may have a little wobble. You just want to be sure to minimize that wobble. Always have a secure grip.